Welcome to this lesson on present perfect simple versus present perfect continuous. These two tenses can be confusing because they look similar, but they have very different meanings. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly when to use each one. Let's begin. Here is the key difference at a glance. Present perfect simple focuses on the completion of an action. We ask, "Have you finished?" Present perfect continuous focuses on the duration or how long an action has been happening. We ask, "How long have you been working?" Keep this difference in mind as we go deeper. Let's start with present perfect simple. This tense describes an action that started in the past and is now complete. The important thing is that we care about the result or completion of the action, not how long it took. For example, if I say, "I have finished my homework," it means the homework is done now. The focus is on the result. To form present perfect simple, we use have or has plus the past participle. Use have with I, you, we, and they. Use has with he, she, and it. For example, "I have finished my project." She has lived here for 5 years. The past participle is the third form of the verb, usually ending in ed for regular verbs. Here are some real examples. I have finished my project, meaning the project is complete now. She has visited Paris 3 times, meaning in total during her life, she has been to Paris 3 times. They have eaten lunch, meaning lunch is done and they are not eating anymore. In each case, we focus on the completion of the action. Now let's look at present perfect continuous. This tense describes an action that started in the past and is still happening now. The important thing is that we care about the duration or how long the action has been happening. For example, if I say, "I have been studying since 2 p.m., it means I started studying then and I am still studying now. The focus is on how long. To form present perfect continuous, we use have been or has been plus the verb with ing ending. Use have been with I, you, we, and they. Use has been with he, she, and it. For example, "I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been working here since 2020. The ing form shows the action is ongoing or continuous. Here are some real examples. I have been studying since 2 p.m., meaning I started studying then and I am still studying now. She has been living in Paris for 3 years, meaning she moved to Paris 3 years ago and she still lives there. They have been working on this project all day, meaning they started today and they are still working on it. In each case, we focus on the duration of the action. Let's compare them side by side. Present perfect simple focuses on completion. We ask, "Have you finished?" An example is "I have eaten lunch," meaning lunch is done now. Present perfect continuous focuses on duration. We ask, "How long have you been working?" An example is "I have been eating lunch," meaning I am still eating lunch now. Notice how the meaning changes with the different focus. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. First mistake, saying "I have eaten lunch and I am full." The correct way is "I have eaten lunch, so I am full." Second mistake, saying "She is working here for 5 years." The correct way is "She has been working here for 5 years." Third mistake, asking "How long have you lived here?" The correct way is "How long have you been living here?" When asking about duration, always use the continuous form. Let's practice. John started working at the company in 2020. It is now 2025. Which sentence is correct? Option A, John has worked at the company for 5 years. Option B, John has been working at the company for 5 years. The correct answer is option B. Since we're talking about how long John has worked there, we use the continuous form. Both sentences are technically correct, but B is more natural because it emphasizes the duration. Here's another practice question. Sarah finished her project at 3 p.m., now it's 4 p.m. and she's relaxing. Which sentence describes the situation? Option A, Sarah has been finishing her project. Option B, Sarah has finished her project. The correct answer is option B. Since the project is already complete, we use the simple form. Option A sounds wrong because finishing implies the action is still happening, which is not the case.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.